Have you ever been told that time, not money, is your greatest asset for wealth? That if you just let your investments compound, one day you'll wake up rich and free? What if I told you this is only half the story? A story that's been sold by gurus but could actually cost you decades of frustration? Today, we're shattering one of the most popular myths in personal finance, that compounding is a magic bullet for everyone, regardless of how much money you start with. Don't blink, because what you're about to discover could flip your financial future upside down. But before we dive in, imagine waiting 30 years for compounding to work its magic, only to realize the returns barely pay for a vacation. Startling, right? Stick with me as we unveil jaw-dropping reasons why compounding alone is useless without serious capital, and what you can do, starting now, to change your destiny. If you are seeking financial freedom and ready to make it happen, hit subscribe. We're committed to delivering practical advice and inspiration to transform your life. Let's dive in. Number 1. Small numbers. Die in the shadow of compounding. Think about saving $100 each month, $1,200 a year. At a robust 8% annual return, after 30 years, you'll have about $140,000. Sounds like a lot, but after inflation and taxes, that's less than you'll need for a middle-class retirement in most countries. The average person retirement requires $1.3 million. So what's missing? The mistake most make is believing that any amount will miraculously grow. Here's the truth. Compounding is exponential, but only after you reach critical mass. This is why financial writer Morgan Housel says, the hardest thing to manage is not the rate of return, but the amount of capital. Would you rather wait 40 years for $100K or make moves to accelerate your savings today? The choice is yours. Here's a thought. What if your compounding journey is stuck at the bottom, just spinning wheels? In point number 4, we'll reveal how tiny numbers keep you trapped and what you can do about it for real financial escape velocity. Number 2, the illusion of time working for you. We're told, start early, and that time is our best friend. But what if time is an illusion when the principal is tiny? Here's why. Imagine compounding $500 at 6% for 40 years. You'll end up with roughly $5,300, barely a bump in your lifestyle. Most people confuse patience with passivity. Waiting alone isn't enough. You need both time and scale. Doing well with money has little to do with how smart you are and a lot to do with how you behave. Don't fall for the trap of passive patience. Active contribution is key. Ask yourself, is time costing me opportunities to build wealth faster? The answer: absolutely, if you're not boosting your principal. Later in this video, you'll discover a trick to make time your ally, no matter where you start. Number 3. Hidden enemies, fees and taxes, will eat your returns. You're grinding away for years, hoping your nest egg multiplies with the magic of compounding. Then, out of nowhere, a swarm of hidden fees and sneaky taxes swoops in and eats up a chunk of your hard-earned gains. It's like running a marathon only to have someone move the finish line when you're about to cross. Even a 1% annual fee can slice your retirement savings by tens of thousands of dollars over several decades. Most people focus on growing their money, yet they ignore what's leaking out the side. People plow into high-fee funds or skip tax-smart accounts, letting their future be quietly siphoned away. Stop helping the financial industry get rich off you. Always check the expense ratio, utilize tax-advantaged accounts, and compare before committing. Number 4. Inflation, the silent wealth destroyer. Think your savings are safe, slowly stacking up in your account. Think again. There's a sneaky villain quietly draining your wealth every single year: inflation. Without even noticing, the money you worked hard to save loses value, making today's $50,000 nest egg worth only $44,000 in just 5 years if inflation averages 2.5%. Now imagine what that does to your retirement, dreams, or your ability to afford a new home. Warren Buffett, quoted in multiple bestsellers, warns, "The investor's chief problem and even his worst enemy is likely to be himself, especially when you underestimate inflation's power to silently devour your future." Turn your cash into assets that grow faster than prices rise. Think stocks, inflation index bonds, and real estate. Keep tweaking your strategy and monitoring inflation trends. Don't be a victim of the silent killer. If you want wealth that lasts, Remember, compounding only works when your money actually grows in real terms. Being bold and choosing investments that outpace inflation is how high achievers protect their future, while others let time and rising prices dismantle their dreams. The real question: will your savings compound faster than inflation, or will you lose ground every year? The answer depends on your strategy. Number 5. Lifestyle creep. The risk of outliving your returns. Here's a little-known psychological twist. As our income and investments grow, so do our expectations. Most people increase spending as their net worth climbs, according to a study from the National Bureau of Economic Research. This phenomenon is called lifestyle creep. People make the mistake of thinking higher returns mean more freedom, yet unconsciously spend it away. So, how do you break the cycle? Mindful spending and aggressive saving are key. Money is only valuable when you trade it for memories and experiences. Number 6. Risk miscalculation. Chasing returns can backfire. When people realize small amounts won't grow fast, many take wild gambles: crypto, penny stocks, risky options. The result? Often, losses compound faster than gains. What's the smarter move? Diversification and disciplined, incremental investing. The fragile wants tranquility. The anti-fragile grows from disorder. Embrace calculated risk. Avoid gambling with life savings. Ask yourself, is my investment strategy anti-fragile or am I gambling? That distinction might be the secret to freedom, coming up in point number 8. Number 7. Compound interest. Only works in your favor, with high-value assets. There's a reason billionaires don't brag about compounding pennies. They use compound interest on high-value assets that skyrocket over time. Imagine starting with a $500,000 rental property in the U.S. If it appreciates by 5% annually, your wealth explodes by $25,000 in just 1 year. Then next year, the increase is $26,250 because it's 5% of the new higher value, not just the original sum. This is where the real magic happens, and it's worlds apart from letting a tiny amount compound in a basic savings account. The snowball effect is dramatically different when you stack compound interest on big-ticket items. Think rental properties, stocks, dividend aristocrats, and even real estate investment trusts, REITs, that throw off regular income and appreciate year after year. Compounding is your money's best friend only when you bring out the big guns. You control the fuel for your compounding engine. Choose high-value assets, reinvest like the pros, and watch your financial freedom take off, while others settle for nickels and dimes. Number 8. Psychological burnout. Slow growth kills motivation. Ever noticed how the painfully slow growth of small investments can sap your willpower? Behavioral psychologists find that lack of visible progress leads to disillusionment. The goal gradient effect suggests people work harder as they approach a reward. But what if you're barely moving? Most people give up too soon, missing the compounding sprint at the end. Reframing small wins and automatic saving systems. Ask yourself, am I celebrating micro wins to fuel bigger breakthroughs? If not, don't worry. The next point will equip you with psychological hacks to keep your dopamine surging. At You Are Wealthy, we specialize in teaching actionable strategies that convert slow progress into passionate achievement. Subscribe and smash that bell. Number 9. Amplifying compounding through income streams. Here's an unconventional insight. The secret to maximizing compounding isn't just saving more, but multiplying your sources of income. The rich get richer by leveraging side hustles, royalties, businesses, and intellectual property. The mistake most make: betting everything on a single salary or gig. Instead, seed your compound growth with new streams that feed your principal regularly. Think about this. If you added $1,000 per month from a side project, you could retire with $1 million in just 22 years. What's stopping you? Dive into point number 10 for the ultimate recipe for multiplying wealth and compounding returns. Number 10. Compounding works when you build your capital first. Here it is, the grand finale. Compounding alone is powerless if your starting number is a rounding error. The truth bomb. Wealth comes first from bold action, high-income skills, entrepreneurship, strategic investing. Then compounding turns big numbers into legacy fortunes. Too many wait, paralyzed in compound and chill mode, never growing their starter seed. Legendary investor Ray Dalio explains, "He who lives by compounding dies by compounding unless he multiplies his base." The best step: focus fiercely on building your earning power and funnel every gain into high-growth compounding assets. Ask yourself, am I multiplying my base or just hoping for magic? The answer transforms everything. Let's bring it all together. If you've ever felt betrayed by the promise of compounding, now you know, it takes real capital, real focus, and real hustle. The old advice to save and wait is obsolete. If you instead build multiple income streams, invest in high-value assets, avoid hidden costs, and fortify your motivation, you can harness compounding like the wealthy do. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like, and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. If you want to know why simplicity is the ultimate wealth strategy, watch this video. I'll see you there.